Come to Qatar, landing in Doha. Go to West Bay, best place to stay and soak up the sunshine. You're on the front row, everyone's watching. Screens in the mall, game you can't call, this isn't over. The match is on, you feel it. You got the shirt, so wear it. When you lose, get up.
And it's converted. The highest goal scorer for India takes his tally 1-1. And India are 1-1. 2-1 to India. In 24 minutes played at the Mumbai Football Arena.
Eugene Salingo with the corner. Equaliser, and it's come from the source we expected. Sunil Chhetri with the header, but it's the set play that's been so difficult for Johor to defend. Bengaluru back on level terms through Sunil Chhetri.
It was coming, wasn't it? They've worked tremendously hard, Bengaluru, especially through these corners. Didn't pick out the right man, Juan Antonio, John Johnson, but Sunil Chhetri is one of the best Indian players in the air. Given a chance, he will score. And that's exactly what he's shown. And again, goalkeeper being blocked is sometimes he's in no man's land. It's easy to be too late. But then Sunil Chhetri at the near post might just hit it to a final.
Vinny. Sunil. Still Sunil Chhetri. What a goal from Sunil Chhetri. A second of the night. And Bengaluru have the lead midway through the second half.
We'll talk about Eugenison's goal in the first leg. This man here, Sunil Chhetri, one of India's best ever players, comes up with this. Exquisite, but again, as much as I speak about that goal, before I go to that first leg goal, we've got it twisted.